Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the BSZHI Bluetooth Speakers 80W. This speaker claims to be a big and powerful portable party speaker with some interesting features. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The BSZHI Bluetooth Speakers 80W boasts an impressive 80W of power, which includes two 25W woofers and two 15W tweeters, along with a rear guide tube design. This setup promises to deliver heavy bass and amazing surround stereo sound, making it suitable for both outdoor and indoor parties. This speaker offers multiple ways to connect your devices. It features Bluetooth 5.1 technology with a working range of up to 100 feet. Ensuring a stable and long-distance connection with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Additionally, it supports wired connections via an AUX cable, making it compatible with non-Bluetooth devices. One of the standout features of the BSZHI Bluetooth speakers is its dynamic LED lighting system. It's designed to light up your party space with various dynamic light modes. What's unique is that the LED lights can sync with the rhythm of the music, creating a colorful and vibrant atmosphere for your gatherings. Plus, there's a convenient button to control the lights. This speaker is more than just a sound system. It supports true wireless stereo technology, allowing you to pair two of these speakers together for a powerful surround sound experience. It also features an FM radio function that can automatically search and save stations. The included remote control makes it easy to manage various speaker functions. With its built-in 10,800 mAh rechargeable battery, the BSZHI Bluetooth speakers can provide anywhere from 8 to 20 hours of playtime, depending on the volume level. This means you can enjoy your music for extended periods, making it ideal for camping trips, barbecues, and even karaoke sessions. The speaker's compact design, ergonomic carrying handle, and mobile phone holder on top make it easy to transport and use in different settings. Whether you're at home, in the garden, or on the go, this speaker is designed to be your go-to music companion. Looking for a gift idea? The BSZHI Bluetooth Speakers 80W is a versatile and practical gift for people of all ages who enjoy music and parties. It's suitable for birthdays, Christmas, and other special occasions. In conclusion, the BSZHI Bluetooth Speakers 80W offers a compelling package. With its powerful sound, versatile connectivity, dazzling LED lights, and long-lasting battery life. Whether you're hosting a party, going camping, or just enjoying music at home, this speaker could be a great addition to your audio setup. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more product reviews, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.